Hello all, I'm Newman again. Please click on subscribe to stay tuned into my channel with new topics. Today we are going to learn data features. The data that we use for any business is helpful only if it has these features in it. The data must be highly available. When you click on a file to open it, it must open immediately. It must not say that the file is not available. To make the file available, you may create multiple copies of it and save them at different locations. An example is RAID 1 mirroring, where you mirror your data onto two disks so that even if one disk fails, you have a copy of your data available. The data that business use must be secure. The data center where your server and storage devices are located must have physical security, biometric access mechanism. The server which hosts these data must have logging authentication mechanisms in place. The folder in which the data is stored must have permissions enabled on them. The data that business uses to make critical decisions must be reliable. It must not change its values or form based on external factors. If the data is not reliable, business will never be able to make structured decisions. The data that you have stored must be accessible with good speeds. If you go to an ATM and try to withdraw cash, after entering your PIN, you see a message checking your balance. Please wait for 15 minutes. This is not acceptable to us. We need the output immediately. Similarly, if you click on a file to open and computer says, please wait until Friday for the file to open, you won't like it. You want to open the file immediately. Also, the network speed should be good. If you're downloading a file and it says, wait until Christmas for the file to finish downloading, you won't like it. So the data that we depend on should be accessible with good speeds. Finally, the data must be recoverable. In case of a data loss, you must have good quality data backups and defined recovery times and recovery points. In case of any loss, you must be able to restore it from your backups. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned some data features today. Please click on subscribe to my channel to enable me to post further training sessions. Also click on the bell icon to be notified when I publish my next video.